Hello everybody, it's tutorial time. I'll be teaching you how to install mod packs from CKAN and how to export mod packs using CKAN. So if you want one of your friends to have the same mods as you, or if a YouTuber wants wants everybody to be able to download the mods that they're using for their career, they can now. So what we're going to do is we're going to export mod pack, don't mess with version, identifier, no spaces, KSP versions, does not matter, licenses, does not matter, oh, unless you're, yeah, it doesn't really matter. That can stay the same, abstracts like your description, just click export. Min KSP version must be equal. Oh, this is the, okay, I'm dumb. This is min, this is max. Got it. I'm very smart. Alright, visual pack. Just save it. Then we close down CKAN and we go over to wherever you saved it. You'll have it. Now, let's say you want to install it. It's gonna be alright. So you want to install it. Basically, you just do this. Yes, I don't know why it's asking me again. Whatever, CKAN. You do you. Alright. Install from .ckan. Find wherever you put that. So we're just gonna go here, we're gonna go... there it is. My pack, visual pack, CKAN, open. About to install. Then it installs it, except I have all the mods installed, so it doesn't actually install it. But that's besides the point. That's how you do it. Have a nice day. I'll do a tutorial and multiplayer later. Have fun.